Hey fam, welcome back to this particular channel. It's your boy Domino right here again, and right now I want to talk about how you can actually, make quality videos out of using just your smartphone, out of your smartphone. Literally, how to create quality videos using just your smartphone. Let me say that without any further ado, let's get straight into this particular video. Alright guys, so welcome back from that particular short break. And right now here I literally have everything I want to talk about. And I'm literally going to be talking about 8 things today. And literally these are really important stuffs to talk about. These are really important ideas, important bullet points about creating quality videos. Would that be said that without any further ado? The first one is actually using your smartphone, literally using the particular camera you have at your disposal. Now, it might actually seem somehow you literally might be thinking about getting a DSLR camera, or a compact camera, or a high-end camera. These days phone companies actually create really good phones with good RAM, good cameras, literally with good high resolutions and megapixels. And you can literally shoot it using just your smartphone. Start using your smartphone and make good quality content. Just make sure you're using your phone in the highest resolution. Make sure you're using maybe either 1080p, 2K, 4K if possible. Yeah, that is the first one on my list. Now the second bullet point I have on my list is literally lighting. Lighting is literally good and crucial for good quality videos, and whenever possible, use just natural lighting. Just let it just be ventilated with natural lighting is literally quite one of the best if you don't really have a very good maybe studio lights or so on. But lighting is very crucial stuff in video content creation. Now, you should literally position yourself or the subject very close to a window, or literally outdoors, or you literally just make it outdoors and make it very early in the morning, or late afternoon, when the sun is literally, or the day is literally really not really too bright but quite bright and flattering and also soft. You should literally use a very soft light. Now, stability. Now, using a tripod, or a literal makeshift or a DIY stuff, you can literally use a tripod, a DIY, makeshift, or so on and so forth, to just make your camera or your phone really stable, and that will really help your video quality. To avoid shaky scenarios, you literally need to invest in tripods. And there are really affordable smartphone tripods out there in the market that you can literally buy for yourself. Or you can literally use, just make your own DIY stabilizer, literally using just household materials. You just bring them together, using rubber band to actually hold your phone or your camera. Just set it up and make it really stable, so it would actually look pro. Making it look professional is literally a very good and crucial element in video content creation. Now, framing and composition. Now, great videos actually have well composed shots, and also literally, time without number always use the formula of thoughts, or the rules of thoughts. Now, literally imagine a 3x3 on a 3x3 grid on your screen, and just literally place your subject or yourself in a particular in the intersection of these particular lines or the grid, and it would actually make your video shoot very better. And also make sure you also lock the exposure, so that you wouldn't actually, when you go out of frame and also come back into frame, or you shift anyhow, it would still be in good position, or the video wouldn't be wobbly or so on and so forth. I think you actually understand what I'm talking about. Now, to the fifth important element, which is audio. Good video is literally having good audio in your particular video. Literally invest in cool, budget friendly microphone, literally external microphones, and it will actually do the job for you. and it will literally improve the audio quality, improve the audio clarity, and improve the momentum of your video and get you more, more listening ears and more views, and yeah, the rest. Now, the sixth element is literally knowing how to tweak or set your camera, your literal camera settings to suit your particular video scene. Now, you should take advantage of your smartphone's manual settings. You should adjust the exposure, the optimal image stabilization, and so on and so forth. And, just tweak it in a way that it will actually suit your literal scenario, or to suit the particular type of video you're actually shooting at that particular time. And you should also experiment different kind of settings to actually suit the kind of videos you're actually shooting at that particular time. And make sure, this is one crucial stuff, make sure you're literally shooting in at least the highest resolution, the highest quality your video can actually, or your phone, sorry, can actually give you at that particular time. Make sure you maximize it, use the highest quality, and your videos will literally pop. Now, the seventh element is literally planning and storytelling. Before you start shooting, think about the kind of video you want to actually create. Plan, memorize, just, do it on and on and on again before you actually do the actual footage. And I'm telling you, it will be a very, very seamless experience for you when shooting the actual footage or shot. Now, you should create a short list or a storyboard or literally a note, where, it would actually guide you, or literally, let's say, a script where it will literally guide you in your video content creation. It will literally guide you so you wouldn't just come up on the camera and start ranting. You don't really need to rant, you just, write it down as I have mine down here. If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't even know about it. You really, really need to write down things, write down key important stuffs, and it would actually help improve your videos and really, really make it seamless. Now, taking this step, very, very important, would literally very, very help you while editing your videos. Now, down to the last element, down to the last tip I have on this particular video, which is literally editing. Now, editing your videos. Now, once you've captured your video, once you've captured your shots, there are different available apps, different available softwares for you to actually use on the App Store or Play Store, literally using your phone. You have either Android, which is for Play Store, or Apple for App Store, and you can literally check it out for yourself. Check different types of application, different types of editing applications for you to actually use in your editing journey. Now, you can literally start with these three main things, which are cuts, transitionings, and color grading to help your videos, as a beginner, using just your smartphone. You can literally experiment these, start using them, and make your video, enhance your videos to make your videos pop, and make them very, very look professional. And yeah, that's literally it for editing. That is all I literally have to talk about in this particular video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Just tell me anything in the comment section. Ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.